In this example, we want to multiply two fractions with each other, and this is a really simple thing because we don't have to worry about denominators being the same like we had to do when we were adding or subtracting some fractions. So what we can do here is we just simply can write down the numerator and the denominator, and we just can do it in a way that we say it is -9 times -4 divided by -8 times -9. So that would be really all we need to do for that. So let's write that in a nice way with brackets so that we don't lose all these negative signs. So we would calculate -9 times -4. In the numerator and in the denominator we have -8 times -9. Now, of course, we could immediately start cancel factors, but for the purpose of a more general approach, let's just calculate what we've got and then simplify afterwards. So -9 times -4, that gives us positive 36. And -8 times -9, that gives us positive 72. Now we can simplify this a little bit, and we can break that down into primes. So 36 we can divide by 2. That gives us 18. 18 can be divided by 2. That gives us 9. And 9 can be broken down into 3 times 3. So that is the prime simplification of 36. And 72, we can break that down to 2. That gives us 36. 36 can be divided by 2. That gives us 18. 18 can be divided by 2, that gives us 9, and 9 can be written as 3 times 3. So these are the prime factors for the numerator and the denominator respectively. And now we can start cancelling. So we can cancel the 3, this 3 can go, we can cancel that 2 here, we can cancel this 2 here, and against this one, and what we have got left is, well, we don't have anything in the numerator, so that would be a 1/2. So that would be the product of this multiplication. Of course, we could have seen that immediately. We could have cancelled the 9 here. We could have also cancelled the -1 here, and we would have 4/8, and we would know 1/2. But I just wanted to show in general how we can take this whole approach. So I hope this makes sense, and thank you very much for watching.